Will you guys believe if I say that the value of the coin that you are seeing in front of you is 35,000 rupees?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world.
So guys, in today's video we are going to look into this 1 rupee issued by India in 1990 commemorating the birth centenary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar or Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar was one of the most prominent legal jurists / social reformer in India during the independence time, and his contribution to the independence of India and after that is like so high. Like, he is the person who was the chairman of the draft committee which made the Constitution of India, and his contribution to the upliftment of marginalized people in the Indian society is like so much, especially the people who is belonging to the lower category in the Indian society as it was considered during that time. So in order to commemorate his importance and his contribution to the Indian society, in 1990 a coin was issued by the government of India commemorating his birth centenary. So the coin that you are seeing in front of you is actually the coin that is issued by the central government. So this is a commemorative circulating coin, a coin which will be in general circulation but commemorating the birth centenary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So this is issued in the year 1990 celebrating his 100th birth anniversary or birth centenary. The coin is made of copper nickel metal which is all having a weight of 6 gram and diameter of 26 millimeters. The thickness of the coin is 1.5 millimeter, and as like all of the Indian coins, it is also having a Mendel alignment. This coin was issued from two mints, that's Bombay Mint and Hyderabad Mint, and that's like more of a general feature of this coin. So why did I say this coin is having a value of 35,000 rupees? So generally, when the coin is in a normal situation like what you are seeing in front of you, it is costing only around 35 rupees, as I said in the beginning of the video. Like, you can see what is in the both side of the coins. So this is the over side of this coin, which is like having a Ashok Stambha symbol or lion capital symbol. Below that the face value is written, and in Hindi it is written Bharat Rupaya, and India rupee is written in semicircular form, and outside that in the rim there is a dotted circle pattern. So that's the obverse of this coin, and in the other side, the reverse, a portrait of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is given, and it's also written around that B.R. Ambedkar centenary, B.R. Ambedkar Jan Shatabrati, which in Hindi means which is written in Hindi, which in English means that B.R. Ambedkar centenary, and 1990. So this came from the Bombay Mint because of the diamond mint mark, and around that, as we saw in the front, there is a dotted circle pattern along the rim. So this coin that you are seeing in front of you, whether it's from the Hyderabad Mint or Bombay Mint, it's non-cost more than 25 to 30 rupees in the maximum and best condition. However, there are reports which says that there exists a mule variety in this coin. So mule varieties are like coins which came out like accidentally. So every coin will be having a certain design of how it has to be struck. But mule varieties are like varieties in which a mismatch of like both the sides happen. So one face over side of one coin is matched with the reverse side of another coin. That happens usually when in a single year lot of commemorative coins are coming up with. So something similar happened with this Ambedkar coin also, which has been reported by a lot of numismatists. So the coin that you are seeing here is actually a coin commemorating the 15 years of ICDS. So it also came out in the 1990. So what happened is that a mule variety came into existence when the obverse of this coin and reverse of the Ambedkar coin came together. So there came a coin like that, where the one side of this coin and the other side of the Ambedkar coin become each sides of the coin, and a mule variety came to existence. That coin has been reported to be costing between 30 to 35,000 in the current Indian market of 2020. I mean in the end of 2020, and in 2021 it's also projected to be like going around in same rate. So in this new year, I hope that you will be able to find is from somewhere that coin, and if you are having that coin, don't sell it for something low, because a lot of passionate collectors are looking for that mule variety, which is not that easily available or can be seen in the market. So make sure that if someone is coming and saying that the Ambedkar coin is costing that much, it is not. In the general coin is not costing more than 25 to 30 rupees in UNC condition, but the mule variety, yes, around 30 to 35,000 is the current market value. So I hope you understood the facts and story and the pricing related to this particular Ambedkar coin. And if you want to know such kind of interesting information related to coins and currencies around the world, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, so that they will also get to know about such interesting and cool stuff related to coins and currencies around the world. So till meeting with a new coin or a currency, bye bye.